There's a big difference between Social Security and Social Security disability, and it's important to know which is which when it comes to filing certain claims, such as long-haul COVID. Attorneys Eric Slepian and Brian Ellickson with the Slepian-Ellickson Law Group are here to help clear things up. Good morning, gentlemen. Good to see you.
Good morning.
Good to see you.
So, Eric, let me start with you. What is the difference between Social Security and Social Security disability?
So that's a great question. Most people think of Social Security as Social Security retirement.
Yes.
You hit a certain age, 62 or 66, and you're able to draw on the benefits where you paid in based upon your earnings. Social Security disability is vastly different. This is available for people that are younger. So you could be in your 30s, 40s, even 16, 17. It's not an age-related program. It's a disability-related program. So if somebody has medical problems and they're unable to work due to their medical condition, and it's expected to last at least 12 months, they may be able to draw a monthly check from Social Security, and they may have access to some medical care.
Really? I mean, that's so interesting. I had no idea. So, Brian, we hear a lot about long-haul COVID and how it affects people's ability to work. Is this something that would go under Social Security disability?
It absolutely is. And so it's important to remember that if you have these conditions that keep you from working for 12 months or longer, it's something that can be the basis for an application. What we see with long-haul COVID, though, is that there are a lot of silent symptoms that keep people from working. Fatigue, brain fog, problems with concentration, things that don't show up on a physical examination. So it's really important for people to talk to their doctors, let them know what they're experiencing so that they have the medical evidence to support what they're experiencing and what's keeping them from working.
So, Eric, what are some of the challenges in Social Security disability that people need to know before they start thinking about doing this?
So one of the biggest challenges is the time delay. It takes a significant period of time to get through the disability process. Normally, it will take 6 to 9 months just to get your first decision. And if you have to go to a hearing before a judge, this could take years. And so there's a lot of planning that must go into it. Individuals need to be ready for this time delay and figure out how they're going to be paying their bills. And most importantly, they have to remain in medical treatment so that they can document all of their symptoms. And so the biggest challenge is, how do you plan for a long-term disability? And so the time to start planning for that is early. Once you feel like you're unable to work, you should start this process.
And for someone who responds and thinks to themselves, do I need an attorney for this? Brian, what would you advise?
I mean, the answer is yes. This is a very complicated process, probably much more complicated than it should be. We see that people who have a skilled attorney are much more likely to be successful in their claims. We're available for people all over the state. It's important to remember that we work on a contingency fee basis, so we're very affordable. We don't charge a legal fee unless we're successful in the case, and we're a firm that can help right away from the initial application all the way to a hearing and beyond. So at any stage of the process, we're available.
So you're able to guide people, lead them in the right steps, and really save them a lot of time, anxiety, and I'm sure frustration as well. So gentlemen, thank you so much. I had no idea it could apply to someone so young as well. Really interesting information. We appreciate you coming in. And if you would like more information, all you have to do is head to their website or call the number you see right there on your screen.